Did you know you can make an incredibly delicious and yummy breakfast using just one potato and 2 eggs? Check this 3-minute viral breakfast hack most people don't know about. Kindly take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe every week. Let's get started. We begin by taking 1 potato and slicing it into thin slices. We do the same with also the carrot. The reason for thin slices is to help everything cook fast and evenly. Next, on a hot pan, place the potato slices and cook them for about 2 minutes, flipping until they turn golden brown on both sides. As we wait for our potatoes to cook, we prepare our cilantro or coriander by chopping them into small chunks. They add flavor and aroma to our recipe. If you're enjoying this breakfast hack, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next recipe. Now let's continue. Once they're nicely cooked on both sides, arrange them in the pan as I am doing. Next, add carrot and tomato slices on top for that flavor boost, while ensuring to leave some little space between them. This helps the omelette bind everything together perfectly. This would make a great kid's lunchbox snack. It's healthy and packed with protein. Next, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add some fresh coriander, a little garlic and ginger powder, and lastly a pinch of salt. Mix everything well until fully combined. Next, pour the egg mixture gently over the potatoes and ensure to cook on medium heat for about 1 minute as the egg sets. Then flip our potato egg omelette. After another minute, our potato omelette looks golden, soft, fluffy, and the aroma is absolutely amazing. Transfer it to a plate, slice a small piece, then tap yourself on the shoulder, because this is master chef skills, and take a bite. And the best part, this breakfast takes just 3 minutes to make. Just look at that. Try this recipe today, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more easy and quick recipes like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of our 1 potato omelette breakfast. Enjoy and see you in the next recipe. Wishing you peace and blessings.